If you want to remove Chrome extensions quickly, safely, and without any confusion, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps. Whether you're cleaning up your browser, removing something you no longer use, or getting rid of an extension that's causing problems, the process is very simple once you know where to look. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. There are two easy ways to open your Chrome extensions page. The first way is to go to the top right corner of Google Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll see different browser options. From there, hover over Extensions and then click Manage Extensions. That will take you directly to the page where all of your installed extensions are listed. The second way is even faster. Just click into the address bar at the top of Chrome and type chrome://extensions. Then press Enter. This takes you straight to the extensions management page without having to go through the menu. If you want the quickest method, this is the one to remember. Once you're on the extensions page, you'll see every extension currently installed in your browser. Take a moment to find the one you want to remove. If you have a lot of extensions, scroll through the list carefully until you spot the correct one. It's always a good idea to double-check the name before deleting anything, especially if you use several tools that look similar. After you've found the extension, look for the Remove button on that extension card. Click Remove, and Chrome will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it. This confirmation step is important because once the extension is removed, it will no longer be active in your browser. Go ahead and confirm the removal, and that's it. The extension is now removed from Chrome. If you want, you can repeat the same steps for any other extensions you no longer need. This is a great way to keep Chrome running cleaner, reduce clutter, and sometimes even improve browser performance if you had too many extensions installed. If you're troubleshooting a browser issue, removing unnecessary extensions is one of the best first steps to try. Some extensions can change your homepage, slow down browsing, or interfere with websites, so clearing out the ones you don't use can make a big difference. Just remember to only keep the extensions you actually trust and need. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.